Leo, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 14th of March. How we'll go about with the video is, the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's see what this week has for you. What I see for you is you have the Queen of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Nine of Pentacles. Your person has the Queen of Cups, the Four of Swords, and the Knight of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I have the High Priestess. So there could be something, some secrets or something that this person already is aware of, or both of you have this inkling feeling that there's something going on that maybe you both are not communicating to each other. But with that High Priestess energy, that gut feeling is already there. Okay. Now what I see for you here, Leo, is you have the Queen of Pentacles energy. With the Queen of Pentacles, you are abundant. You are doing really good for yourself. All your finances are in place and people see that, okay? And that has not happened in one day. It has happened because you've put in a lot of effort, okay, to reach where you are today. And there was a time when you were single, and maybe you are still single right now, but even though you are single, you didn't waste your money. Mostly when people are single, they just go about, spending money here and there, but that's not the case with you. You have gone ahead and put in the effort, and you have also ensured that whatever money you have earned, you invest and you make that money grow for yourself. And that's the reason why today you are in the Queen of Pentacles energy. Okay, now your person has the Queen of Cups energy, wherein they have a lot of love for you. Okay, they want to reciprocate that love to you. They want to share and tell you how much they love you. But there is something maybe that this person is going through, because with the Four of Swords energy, they want to postpone it. They don't want to tell you this right away that they have feelings for you. They want to just take some time out, think this through, and then once they are done with that, they will rush in with this Knight of Cups energy. They will rush in and they will let you know that yes, they have feelings and they want to go ahead and have a relationship with you. Now let's see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. Let's take one card. Spirit, help me with one card here please, to understand what's the intention of this person. Alright, the intention of this person is the Page of Wands. With the Page energy, this person will have a very immature, childlike energy. And with Wands, it definitely looks like that this person would start off with only just the physical aspect of the relationship, where they're just looking to have a good time. That's what I see currently, okay, with the energy that they have. Let's take one more card here to understand why we have Page of Wands. Spirit, help me with one more card to understand what's the intention here. Why do we have Page of Wands? Alright, now this person has the Empress energy. Okay, so they definitely understand that you are an Empress and it's a catch for them. So even if they start small with this childlike energy, they understand that they would want to build with you, because they for sure know that they will not get somebody like you in the future. Okay, now let's take one more clarifying card. Alright, with that, they also want to go ahead and talk about something. With the Ace of Swords, okay, there is maybe some truth that needs to be spoken about. If they are hiding something, they will let you know that this is what the case is, and they will tell you, and they want to go ahead and build with you. So that's a good thing that this person wants to build with you and wants to start fresh. Yet at the same time, this person also wants to go ahead and clear all the doubts or any miscommunication that you both had. Now let's take one card to see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So let's take one card here. Alright, the crystal that I see for you is Ammonite. The crystal messages: are you spiraling round and round? Are you trying to find answers? It is time to stop, go within, and allow yourself to step into the deep recesses of your mind and emotions in order to uncover the truth. Take time for reflection beside an ocean or body of water. The message from Archangel is from Archangel Gabriel, which I'll put in the description box, and you can read it from there. That's all I have for you for this particular week, Leo. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until next time, please stay safe and love yourself first.